Bro, why is sneezing in public basically a felony now? I swear I let out one little
Achoo!
and the whole room turned around like I just confessed to stealing the Declaration of Independence. This lady in aisle 3 clutched her purse like I sneezed in Morse code saying, "Give me all your..."
Money!
The dude next to me took a full step back like I was about to explode into glitter and germs. I'm over here like, relax! It was just air leaving my face. But nope, everyone's staring at me like I'm patient 0 of the sneeze apocalypse. And then you try to hold in the second sneeze? Bro, your whole body is shaking, your eyes watering, your soul trying to exit your body just so nobody judges you again. Meanwhile, my nose is like, we're doing this again in
3, 2, 1.
And I'm like, please, not here. At this point, I'm just gonna carry a sign that says, I sneeze. I'm not contagious. Don't call security.